So today I'm going to use the mean proportional to get a square the same area as a rectangle. So we start off with a rectangle of any size. I picked 10 by 5, so the area will be something simple like 50 millimeters squared. So the next thing we do is we extend this line in this direction, and we're going to swing this side of the rectangle down to hit that line. Once we've swung this line down, we then bisect this line. I'm going to name this line AB, just so we know what we're working with. So now what we're going to do is we're going to turn this into a semicircle. We now extend this line up to hit our semicircle, which will give us our mean proportional. I now have the length of the first side of my square, so I'm going to draw these lines out horizontally and bring this one parallel and get our square. Now that we have the square, I'm going to check see if it's the same area as our rectangle. So after measuring one of our sides, you can see it's a tiny bit over 70 mil. So 7 by 7 is 49. So it's safe to assume that it's 50 millimeters squared on the inside. The reason this works is because inside this large triangle here we have two small triangles that are essentially the same. This smaller triangle is scaled down from the bigger one, so the angles on the insides of them are the same. So these angles being the same, we then just rotated the triangle and came out with our square of an equal area.